This is a message from South Africa. You can see it. So, South Africa is supposed to have a black leader. So, if I have to choose a black leader, it will not be Cyril Ramaphosa or Thabo Mbeki or Nelson Mandela or any black president that reigned in South Africa. I want Mr. Samuel L. Jackson. Motherfucker, I want you in South Africa. Samuel L. Jackson, it's an invitation for you to run your own country. Come to South Africa. Run your own country, Mr. Jackson. If you don't want that, Samuel, let's invite Denzel, Denzel Washington. Come run South Africa. You've got a fucking black motherfucker there from South Africa, Trevor Noah coming to you, Fucking bring him back to South Africa. Jamie Foxx. That's my third choice. Oh, Will Smith. There's an opportunity for you to run a country, to steal taxes and come on, you black people. My first choice is Samuel L. Jackson, the motherfucker of motherfuckers, to run South Africa. Because I'm sure he will tell you how to run a country. Come on. We don't need a Mal Emmer or a Conte wil Switse, MK Party, Conte is Switse, Conte wil Switse, or the ANC in South Africa. So now, your world rulers want black people to run South Africa. I want Samuel L. Jackson, that black motherfucker from America. You'll get richer here in South Africa, Mr. Jackson, that you'll get riches here in South Africa, that you will never imagine where you are in America. Same with Jamie Foxx, Denzel Washington, it's the same. Come run South Africa. I invite you to take over South Africa from the ANC government and the DA, Democratic Alliance. These people are bad for us. I invite you to come back to your home country to run this country. We've got minerals, we've got gold, we've got coal, to build power stations. I'm not trying to be clever. We've got everything here in South Africa. Come to South Africa and run your government. Don't be a Robert Mugabe. At least you African Americans, you know that God has given you something there on top. Like I have something on top. You've got a God-given brain. Come and run South Africa. If I have to elect, I'll elect a fucking motherfucker I don't like, He's not on the same rugby team as me, But I'll elect Steve Hofmeyr, but the black people don't like them. So Denzel Washington, Mr. Samuel L. Jackson, come run South Africa. South Africa is my country. Get there out of America, come run this, my country there. I invite you. It's a free invite. Come and invite me. Come and run my country there. But I know you will do a better job than what the economic freedom fighters and the MK, Mkhonto weSizwe, Mkhonto will switch their party do, and the African National Congress and the Democratic Alliance. I invite you. It's an open invitation to you to come and run this country. You can take all the money. Take all the money from everyone. Just make this country better. Think about that.